Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get format options in Word. We'll start by exploring the Home tab, which is your central hub for most formatting tasks. You'll discover how to quickly adjust text appearance using the font group, changing things like size and color. Then, we'll move to the Paragraph group, where you can easily manage alignment, line spacing, and add bullet points or numbering to organize your content effectively. For more detailed text adjustments, the font dialog box is incredibly useful. You can open it by clicking the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the font group on the Home tab. This dialog provides extensive control over your text, including character spacing, advanced text effects, and various stylistic sets, giving you many more options than the ribbon alone. Beyond basic alignment, the Paragraph dialog box offers powerful layout control. Just like with the font dialog, you can access it by clicking the small arrow in the Paragraph group on the Home tab. Here, you can set exact indents, customize line and paragraph spacing, and manage how paragraphs break across pages, ensuring your document looks polished and professional. To maintain a professional and consistent look throughout your document, using styles is essential. The Styles group, also on the Home tab, provides a gallery of predefined styles for headings, titles, and body text. You can easily apply these with one click or even modify existing styles and create new ones to perfectly match your document's specific design requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.